Hi guys, my name is Rachel Taravella and I'm the owner and creator of Monomin, and welcome to my shop. So just to tell you a little bit about our brand, my background is in architecture, so I have this minimal aesthetic, a monochromatic aesthetic, hence the name Monomin, Monochromatic and Minimal. So we apply that to our clothing here and my love for fashion, and so we've curated a space that hopefully is fun and inviting and modern. What I love about our shop is that we curate a lot of chic and very modern design, fashion-forward clothes, but it is surprisingly affordable. The price points are so good, and that's something that we want to maintain here. The shop mirrors my life, so I have two little ones. We have a collection called Monomini, and it's newborn to 6T. And we have a lot of good stuff in our Monomini collection. We also have a ton of accessories. I feel like we're getting to be the accessory store. Most of our accessories are under $50, but we do have some 18 karat gold plated brands that are more of a higher end, and those are still under $100. So anytime we say high end, it's still affordable.
What's up guys, my name is Brooke Sainamont. I am the Director of Operations here at Monomin. What I'm super excited about right now is that I just started offering personal styling. So if you come in the shop, you want to elevate your wardrobe, you can do every day to a special event. So we're going to elevate your wardrobe, but we're going to keep the price affordable. You can't beat it. So if you're interested, definitely let us know. We are waiting to see you in the shop.
Here at Monomin, we are a boutique. We're locally owned. Shop small. Hashtag shop small. So we strive for customer service. It's really important for us. So you are going to get top-notch customer service here, along with all of the fashion for your closet. We're located in the Lower Garden District. If you haven't noticed by now, there is a Greetings from Nola mural that's been going around social media. That is on our building. We're so proud of that. So come and take a picture and then come and shop with us.